Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with GEICO for auto insurance quote setup easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type GEICO Auto Insurance and press enter. Click on the official GEICO website link. Once the web page loads, look for the Get a Quote button, usually prominently displayed on the home page. Click on the Get a Quote button. You will be directed to the quote setup page. Here, you can choose the type of insurance you're interested in, such as auto, motorcycle, or RV. Select auto insurance to proceed with getting an auto insurance quote. Next, you will need to fill out a form with your personal information. Provide your first and last name in the designated fields. Enter your address, including city, state, and zip code. Input your date of birth to help GEICO assess your quote. After that, enter your email address for correspondence. You will also need to enter your phone number. Once you have filled out all required fields, click on the Continue button. The next step is to provide information about your vehicle. Enter the make, model, and year of your vehicle. Indicate if you own or lease the vehicle. You may also be asked about the vehicle's mileage. Select the primary use of the vehicle from the options provided. Following this, you will be prompted to answer questions about your driving history. This may include details about any past accidents or violations. Complete this section accurately to ensure a precise quote. Once you have finished entering the necessary information, click Continue again. Next, you may see options for additional coverage. Review these options carefully, as they can impact your overall premium. Choose any additional coverage you wish to include or opt for the essential coverage. After making your selections, click Continue to move forward. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.